Hey, this is Jim, your product expert with Water Pumps Direct, coming to you with another Q&A video for your viewing pleasure, enjoyment, and hopefully some good information today. Today we're going to tackle gas pumps 102 and semi-trash and trash pumps. What's the difference between those two pumps? They're both a way of moving water. So again, they're both going to move water from point A to point B. Um, the semi-trash pumps are going to handle small particulates in the water. So grass clippings, little seaweed here and there, some leaves, things like that. Those will pass through these pumps pretty easily. And that's going to be something like the pump you see in the upper right-hand corner down up here. On the bottom right, you're going to see a trash pump. These are going to be handling more larger debris. Depending on the size of the pump you're getting, these pumps may handle 1 or 2 inch or larger solids going through them. The big thing that differentiates these from most other pumps is if you look real close down here, there's a clean out port on the front of that pump. So that can open up if it gets clogged up, and you can swing that open, get to the heart of the pump with the impeller, clean that out real easy, and get it back going relatively quick. So those are really the distinguishing factors between that style of pump and most other pumps. As with any pump, you still want to run a suction strainer on the suction hose going into the water source. And that suction strainer in these cases will usually have a little larger holes to be able to handle whatever the pump can handle. And you want to make sure you're not exceeding the rated head lift on these pumps too. I say that all the time, but look at the pump curves for these pumps. You're normally going to find one on most of these pumps. It'll look like this guy up here in the top middle here, and those lines that you show are actually listed or signifying the suction lift that you're dealing with. So if you've only got like a 5-foot suction lift, you're going to be continuing that blue line all the way down. If you've got a 10-foot suction lift, it'll be the green line. The orange line is a 16.7-foot suction lift, and the red line is going to be more of a 23 and some change suction lift. So that's going to start your curve on that portion based on suction lift. That'll tell you what kind of flow rate you're going to get at whatever head lift you're dealing. So how high vertically you're pumping this water or sucking out from the water source. So just make sure you adhere to that and you don't overstep your bounds on what those pumps can handle. You do that, size it properly with the strainer and the hosing and all that good stuff, you'll be good to go. Hopefully that answers questions on these two types of pumps. If you have any more questions on this or any other questions on anything else or Q&A video ideas, give me a call, shoot me an email. Check out our how-to library. There's a lot of great information down there, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So until next time, y'all have a great day. Take care. Bye.